You're probably wondering why my plastering project stalled. So it's because we were sharing the same builders with my sister, and they had begun on this side. They just took a short break. That's when they started doing the plastering on my side, and then they returned to finish what they had started here. So let me give you a tour of my sister's project. Let's see how far she's gone. We more or less have the same taste with my sister. You realize we have the same gates. Actually, they were made by the same supplier, and a lot of things are similar to my project. It's just our way of doing things. When we love something, we just go for it. So let's go in and see. So when you walk in, to your right, the first thing that meets you is this beautiful gazebo. So the gazebo can accommodate about 50 people. It's not really complete. You realize the ceiling has not been done. Our climate here is usually very cool in some months, and it gets really cold sometimes. So a fireplace is very, very necessary in every home. And I love the old school kind of fireplace where we just burn the wood. I think it is more aesthetic than just having an AC or having the built-in fireplaces. So these burns you see here, we were testing if the smoke really goes up the chimney. We wanted to confirm if the chimney is working right, and everything is fine. So this is just a place where you can chill outdoors with your friends. And the reason we have so many charging ports, because you imagine having so many friends, people want to charge their phones, people want to have some music, have a good time. So that's the reason we put it there. So on this slab over here, this is kind of a worktop where you can be having some refreshments as you enjoy the view. And this is just a sort of a table, a built-in table where you can place your drinks and just rest your arms as you pass the day. We're going to have a sink over here. You can see that is already provided for. So as we have a good time here, we can also have our barbecue. We can be cooking and having a good time here with friends. So you can see how large it is. So let's head to the house. So this is the front view of the main house. It is a 4-bedroom bungalow, and it is still work in progress. One important thing is always to plant trees and flowers around the house and your compound, even before you build your house, so that by the time you're building, the flowers are grown, the trees are big, and it looks so beautiful. So I'm standing in the sitting room, which is open to the dining room, and the dining is also open to the kitchen. So there are two features I really like about this sitting room. There's this part of the window, so we call that a bay window. I really love the bay window. Once the glass is put, it's gonna look so beautiful. And the second thing I really love about the sitting room is also another fireplace. So as I informed you earlier, the place gets very cold sometimes in some months, so a fireplace is very necessary, and more so the wood-burn fireplace. So So the sitting room is open to the dining room. And one thing about this house is all windows are very large. So we have a lot of natural light coming into the house. So this is the dining room, which is also open to the kitchen. You can see the worktops are already done, though not finished, but the structure has been put. And in the kitchen is a huge pantry. So that's the pantry, and it's really, really big. So you can access the kitchen from either the dining area, which is there, and there's this other door. So in case you don't want to interfere with the guests, maybe in the living room, you can use this door from the bedrooms to access the kitchen. So this corridor takes me to how many bedrooms? 2 bedrooms. So this is the first bedroom. Very large windows. That is something I really love. And then that's the area where the wardrobes will be built. And it has a toilet and a bathroom all in one place. So on my left from that bedroom, this is a study. This is where you can have a library, you can have an office, just sit, do your thing. So this is the study room. And on my other left is a common toilet and a common bathroom. This is a free area in this corridor, and then they gave it a window which brings more light to the corridor. And this is another guest bedroom, but it does not have a toilet, but the windows are still huge. So the guest here will be using the common toilet. So as I walk out of this corridor and pass through the sitting room, it takes me straight to the master bedroom to my left and bedroom 1 to my right. So this is the master bedroom. The windows. I know it is very expensive to buy such huge windows, but you won't regret it. Considering this is a country house and this is where you want to be during your retirement, you really need to make it as comfortable and as beautiful as possible. So this is the master bedroom. This is a walk-in closet already that has been provided, where the wardrobes will be set up in the walk-in closet. And here is the master bathroom and master toilet, 2 in 1. So we call it the master bedroom, so we call it the master bathroom. So this is the whole setup. You walk into the master bedroom, then this is the walk-in closet, and then into the bathroom. So this is the master bedroom. So as you walk out the master bedroom, there's this mini corridor which links the master bedroom and bedroom 1. So bedroom 1 looks into the backyard. Look at that window. And it also has a little walk-in closet here and a bathroom. So the child sleeping in this bedroom enjoys a beautiful view of the backyard. And here in the kitchen, this is the area of the island. This is where the island will be put, and it's gonna have a sink right in the middle where you can wash food, and the other sink will be used to wash plates, utensils. It's always good to separate the two. So the kitchen window also overlooks the backyard, and this is the exit door with this little veranda here where you can chill and catch some fresh air as you cook. So this is the backyard where they have the kitchen garden. There are those bananas over there. There are flowers, and there are plenty of fruit trees right there. There's sugarcane. I see lots of things. They just harvested this maize, which was just harvested. They are still drying up before they are stored. And there's lots and lots of bananas. So right outside the kitchen is the laundry area, which is accessed through the backyard. It's kind of separated from the house, and this is the area that will be used for washing clothes and that kind of stuff. So if you look here, you will see it's right outside the house, so it will be accessed through its own door. So this is the back view of the house. I must recognize the person who did the roof for a job well done. The house was so huge, it was so hard to put this roof. So the guy played around with it and it came out looking really, really nice. As I always say, it is very important to have food in your homestead, and the bananas are looking amazing. There's lots of food here. It's hard to go hungry. Look at that. So the farm has both ripening and cooking bananas. And lots of them in a very small space. So it's just how you utilize your space. You can have so much in a very small space. So these are fruit trees. This is mango tree, another mango tree. I see the loquat there. I see pomegranate. This is a orange tree, another orange tree over there, and there are vegetables also here. So this is the loquat, a very yummy fruit. This is an avocado tree, and this here is the pomegranate. I have a problem pronouncing that. I can see it's fruiting up there. I don't know if you see the fruit, but I see it. So this is what the fruit looks like. It looks like it's just ripe already. Let me try it. I think I messed with it too early. It wasn't ripe yet. It's normally red when ripe, but that's what it looks like. I understand it's a very nutritious fruit. So here are a few tips I'd like to share with you if you're building. First, if you already have land, plant some trees as you wait for that money to build. The trees will be growing. So by the time your house is done, you'll be having a forest of trees in your compound, and you'll be having shade, which will come in handy, because try to imagine a home without a tree. You're in the January heat and there's nowhere to shelter. The house is too hot. You need some fresh air outside. Where do you sit? Tip 2. If you're building in Kenya, do not give your contractor money to buy materials for you. Buy your own materials. I'm talking from experience, because the contractors have messed a lot of people. They'll opt for cheaper materials, or just try to save some money by using the wrong ratios of materials. Then you end up with a substandard house. So always buy your own materials, just pay for the labor. I hope those 2 tips helps you get along. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.